Hey, hello guys, Brian back with another Kaspa video. Want to get a video out here. This thing has started to move, so wanted to jump on here and get a video put out. We've been waiting a long time for this, so if we go over to coin market cap here, you can see the volume there at 10 million right now. I expect that to really ramp up here, especially after this coin started moving here. You can see on their chart here, back up in that green territory. But let's go over to the chart here and get a look. Alright, you can see this is on the daily. You can see this beautiful bounce we got. You know, that thing just started ripping out of here. I got excited to get a video out. So right now from yesterday, we are up right now almost 20% from yesterday. Alright, so this thing has been ramping up. We got some volume starting to come in. 240 million coins here on this green candle, so we got that starting. Let's zoom in on the hourly. Yeah, we got a little bit of volume starting next, but like I said, I expect that to really pick up here, especially if this thing starts ripping out of here. Alright, we got looks like we broke through that first resistance area. Let me zoom out here and show it to you. Let's go out in the 12-hour. Alright, you can see, man, this thing is getting me excited. I love this coin. But right there was our first resistance at 0.0139, and it had a hard time getting back up through that. It's been battling that for a while. I've been watching this thing all day, had alarm set and everything else. But that 0.0139, we have broken through that. The next resistance area I would be watching out for is the 0.0164. Got some resistance through there. Let me put a line on these. Yeah, right through that area there. And after that, you know, the next resistance area from there, you know, we got a pretty blue skies from there. Might have a little bit up at 0.0177, but then up to the 2-cent range. So this thing could move really fast. Okay, let's go that daily. The 200 daily moving average, we got right back on top of that now, which is good to see. And of course we still have the 50. The 50 is way up there. Usually when these things pull apart like that, you know, you'll have price action pull back. These things will tighten back up. They'll move towards each other, which moves price towards them also. Okay, so that's another big reason I think we got a really good run coming here. All right, let's look at the RSIs on this thing. Let's get the moving averages off there first. Let's take a look at these RSIs because they look great. And we've been waiting for this for a long time. Look at that daily. The daily just started spinning up earlier today. Like I said, I've been watching this thing all day. The daily was all zeros about an hour ago, and now we're at a 6 and a 2.06. So that has spun up on the stochastic. You can see on the bottom regular RSI how oversold we were, below 30. We're still below 30. We're at 27.9, so still extremely oversold on the daily. The 12-hour, we're at a 33 and a 17. Lots of room to head up. We're at a 34 on the regular RSI, but we were way oversold on that also. We were down to a right around a 22, 23 on the 12-hour. The 8-hour, same story, heading up. We were extremely oversold down here. I had about a 20 on the 8-hour. That's what I'm thinking. This thing could really go, man. We're up 5% right now as I make this video. The 4-hour is getting towards the top a little bit, but that's all right. That thing can run for long. It can stay up there for quite a while. You know, it can stay up there for a day anyway before it even starts rolling back over. So that weekly that we've been watching so hard, still at triple zeros and 2.41. So like I said, this thing starts moving, and that weekly RSI could really start firing up there. I'm waiting for that blue to just tick right up above that orange, and that could happen at any time, especially if we get a nice run here. But we also got back inside that wedge. All right, I'm going to show you here. We're going to zoom in here a little bit. Let's get them off there. Let's zoom in on this thing. You can see we've gotten back in the wedge now. Yeah, look at that. I'm getting ate up. I got to get this video out. This thing could really go. We're up 6% now. but that red candle on that 4 hours getting ate up right now, and we have back tested this now as support. We got the breakout right through here. We got the back test right on that point zero. What was that? 0.014. We're getting the back test on that, and it looks like we might be moving up towards that next resistance up at 0.016. So Kaspa is looking beautiful. Things are looking great, guys. I will be back with you very, very soon. The dollar, we want to take a quick look at that DXY because I haven't shown that in the last couple videos. We are right at that 702 that we've been watching. Let's put this on the 12-hour, the Dixie. We took a look at that. It got a little bounce off there a little bit. You can see it touched that 702. We've been keeping an eye on that thing because we would like to see that roll over from here, but it has made it up to that 702. I would like it to see it roll over from there, and that would more than likely mean a big ABC coming in here. Let's look at the RSIs real quick on this the Dixie. Yeah, look at that 12-hour getting towards the top. Getting pretty overbought here. Yeah, the regular RSI is up at a 72. Let's look at that daily. Oh yeah, that thing is it is due for a correction. So hopefully we stop at that 702 right there. You can see I have an alarm set right up there on that thing. But we've been watching that thing. Let's look at the lower to the 8-hour, the 12-hour. They're getting a little high. The 4 is at the top, needing a correction. We have a red candle started on that 4. If we zoom in there, that green line is the 702. You can see we touched it, and so far we're getting rejected from it. So isn't that crazy how it just hit that thing perfectly and starting to get rejected? So alright guys, I'm going to get this video out to you. I hope you have a fantastic night, and I hope the next time we talk Kaspa is way up, and we're all happy again. So thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Have a good night.